Wait, I didn't off the lights in the movie time. Let's go. Wait, what's that? There's no one in my house and I'm alone right here. You see here. There's no one behind me or in the fort. You see, the whole house is empty except my brother sleeping in the bedroom. I hear someone knocking the door, like, shit, what's that? Hello? Shit, did you just hear that? If there's no